In this video we will talk about how many calories to lose weight. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Counting calories is a popular method of losing weight. The intention is to burn more calories than you eat, and therefore lose weight. Of course, there is no definite number that everyone should eat each day, and therefore no special number which we need to cut back on in order to lose weight. The essential figure to consider when calorie counting is the amount of calories you need to consume each day in order to maintain your weight as it is. In order to work out the amount you need to maintain your present weight, you first need to work out your BMR. There are many ways that you figure this out online, and it should not take you very long. Once you have done this, then you need to work out how much activity you do during an average day. If you are sedentary, times your BMR by 1.2. If you are slightly active, times it by 1.375. If you are moderately active, if you do exercise most days a week, then times it by 1.55. You may need to fetch a calculator at this point. For example, a woman weighing 200 pounds may have a BMR of 1675 and be very inactive, so she would times her BMR by 2, and produce a result of 3,350. This figure is the amount of calories the woman would need to consume if she wanted to stay at the weight she is now. Once you have worked out how many calories you need in order to keep your weight the same, you can then start to cut back your intake in order to lose weight. It is considerably healthier to cut back the amount of calories you eat a little bit at a time. This is also dependent upon how much weight you want to lose. Guidelines recommend that you should lose no more than 2 pounds each week, and it is probably better in the long term if you only aim for 1 pound. You can lose these 500 calories purely by cutting them from your diet, or you could lose 250 from your intake, and then burn 250 calories thought exercise. You should take into consideration how much you exercise, as well as what you eat, and record it all in a diary. You should try and keep your calorie reduction even. So if you can't exercise one day, don't be tempted to cut back more rigorously on your eating the day after. It is far more important to consistently lose weight, even if it is only a little, than punish yourself for small infractions. Once you start losing weight, you also need to remember to revise your BMR and weight loss plan. The calorie cutback which was suitable for weight loss in a 200-pound woman will not have the same effect on a woman who now weighs 180 pounds. If you find yourself reaching a plateau, where you care no longer losing, consider checking your BMR. You may find yourself pleasantly surprised. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.